Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook yam porridge. Begin by selecting a firm yam, about 2 pounds, and 1 cup of vibrant palm oil. Next, peel the yam and cut it into uniform 1½ inch cubes. Rinse these yam pieces well under cool running water, removing any excess starch. This preparation ensures your porridge will have the perfect texture and absorb all the delicious flavors. Now, let's build that incredible flavor foundation. Heat about 4 tablespoons of good quality palm oil in a large, sturdy pot over medium heat. Add 1 finely diced onion and 2 minced cloves of garlic, sautéing them gently until they become wonderfully aromatic and soft. Next, incorporate your chosen protein, perhaps some smoked fish or cooked beef, alongside a generous 1/4 cup of ground crayfish. Stir this vibrant mixture to combine all those inviting aromas. It's time to introduce our star ingredient. Carefully add the prepared yam cubes to the pot, stirring gently so they are fully coated in the aromatic palm oil mixture. Now, pour in approximately 4 cups of water or vegetable stock, just enough to barely cover the yam pieces. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil, then reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Cook it patiently for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until the yam is wonderfully tender and easily mashable. As the yam softens, use the back of your spoon to gently mash about 1/4 of the pieces against the side of the pot. This creates a beautifully creamy texture. Now, stir in about 1 cup of fresh spinach or other leafy greens, allowing them to wilt for just about 1 minute. Taste and adjust your seasoning with a pinch of salt and perhaps a dash of pepper for a perfect finish. Serve your rich, comforting yam porridge warm, perhaps with some grilled fish or plantain on the side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.